What are you guys doing?
I'm working. This is really hard. I insist.
You got your fork going?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Some hot cocoa. Then we're gonna. Yeah. Okay. This is how it's gonna be. So you see the part that you see right now?
Yeah.
Okay. That part is gonna be like the inside of it, and so then we walk now over to behind it, not where the girl in the black coat is, because that's the inside.
Who's the girl in the black coat?
Anyways, see the part you see right now
Right.
is the inside. Okay, put it over there. Is the inside of our base, and then when you like walk around it, then that's the outside of the base.
Oh, okay. Keep working. You guys are doing good.
We're having most trouble with this side though. Because all the smoke is falling out. Sophia is the car maker. Owen is the central maker. Jesse.
Where'd Malena go? Where'd Malena go? Okay. There she is. Oh my, that is a big one. That, yes. Very good.
Sophia here is the little girl. She's the one who makes the ice cube.
She is.
Yes. We're asking ice pies.
Oh, the ice pies?
When they go pie, ice
No.
pies. Okay. See?
Very
and
good.
look what it does when it's like that. Here, come here. Actually, it was cracked.
That's okay.
Come on, I need to now.
Okay, I'm going to go back in. I'll come
Okay,
back in.
bye.
Bye.